everyone, how are you all? So in today's short, we will be talking about the difference between scheduled and non-scheduled bank. So the first difference is that scheduled banks are those banks which are listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934, and the non-scheduled banks are those banks which are not listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. Now the criteria to be listed in the second schedule of RBI Act is first that the bank should have paid up capital at least 5 lakh, and the second criteria is that the bank have to maintain the reserve requirement, that is CR or SLR. If any bank fulfilling these two requirements, they will be a part of second schedule of RBI Act and will be known as the scheduled banks. The second difference between the two is that scheduled banks are actually those banks which are allowed to take loan or to borrow money from RBI for any purpose of their operation at a bank rate. But when it comes to the non-scheduled banks can also borrow loan from RBI, but only in the event of emergency. Otherwise, for their day-to-day operation, non-scheduled banks are not eligible to take a loan from RBI. Third difference is that scheduled banks are those banks which are eligible to take the membership in the clearing house, but non-scheduled banks are not eligible to take membership in a clearing house. The fourth difference is that scheduled banks minimum capital requirement is defined under RBI Act 1934, section 42, subsection 6. Whereas the non-scheduled banks minimum capital requirement is defined under Banking Regulation Act 1949, section 11, subsection 1. So this was the difference between the scheduled and non-scheduled bank. Hope you liked it. Also, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section, and for more such kind of clearance of the topic and understanding for the topic, you can join our selection batch or the Mahapack by using the code Y496, in which you will get maximum discount. Thank you.